Hey everyone, this is Katie, and welcome to part 1, the setup of our prank.
So, the story behind all of this is as follows. I attempted the Muscular Dystrophy Association of Rochester, and while I was there, I worked alongside an administrative assistant named Lisa. She was at the Nighthawks game on Saturday and texted me around 9:30, asking if my boyfriend Nick was there performing as their mascot, our Thunder. He was, but he didn't get a chance to get to her before the game was over. So, since I will be in the plaza where the MDA is located this coming Monday, Thunder and I are going to pay Lisa a little visit. And this innuendo-laden sign here doubles as a nod to the MDA's lockup event, so it's only about 50% inappropriate. See, the MDA has several annual lockup events to help support individuals living with various muscle diseases, and each person locked up, so to speak, becomes one of their jailbirds. So, haha, essentially a giant bird is going to hit on Lisa.
So Thunder, y'all ready? Fans at home, this is what we call going big or going home. Just open the door and go right in. Yep. Do it. Do it.
Oh no! Hello! Can you talk now? Really? Oh my goodness. What does it say? Ooh! No, I thought it was you, but then I couldn't pick it down there. How are ya?
Oh, okay.
Our Thunder's here. Oh, it's different. Mascots at the walk on the Sunday March.
Oh, they are having a meeting. Go in there. You have to. You have to.
Hello. Welcome. Oh, our Thunder is here. Oh, that's fantastic. Welcome. Oh, yes.
Oh, you want to see the sign I made for Lisa, too, because she missed him at the game?
Yeah.
You'll love this.
That's fantastic. Yeah, I love it. Oh, did you get a picture?
Well, we got a video, I think.
Yes,
I
yes.
think you should get a picture.
All right.